Okay, let's take with Miro. It's one of the framework we are working. Okay, and already Miro is to managing workflows and staying on the top tasks and projects. So when we creating any workflows here, so we can take the Miro, click it and make it login. Sign up with so these are the flow charts we already created. Create a board. See, like this we can creating all the sitemaps also, but here what I am telling, we can workflows and tasks and projects. See, if the company is there, the organization to create some there is a different type of sections, so they have to create some workflows. So this team is working this much of members and this team is working with this much of the group of people, how many members of people, like the employees and IT team, we have some like 10 to 15 employees, like that we can create a workflow. So that's why task and project. Suppose in our team we have to assign the project to Vamsi has to given some project, so Fayaz has to given some project. So like this we have to share the projects, so we have to assign the tasks and we have to share the projects, means it is more helpful on this particular Miro. And we can create a Kanban boards is nothing but it is also one type of workflow. Okay, so we can visualize and organization our workflows and into Miro streamline your work, and we plan sprints. Sprints is nothing but that is a meeting calls. Okay, we can create a meeting calls and we can create the marketing campaigns and product launches, track hiring process, visualization, IT help desk solutions also, and more. So, and 5 million of people are using Miro. 5 millions of people are using Miro in the software industry. So it helps more, and it has been connected with different resources and different like Zira. So Miro connected software tools. It has been connected with so many these are the tools they have connected with Miro. I'll show you the image also. I didn't taken the image. So where we can take the Kanban framework. So click it here and go to the templates. Make it Kanban framework. So click it here and click it the framework. This is the Kanban framework. So this is one type of flow. That's it. Framework is nothing but it's one of the flow. That's it. Okay. In this frame we created one flow. One flow. So we have to keep tracking our work and make sure everything runs smoothly, and it is the easiest way to create a carts, and I can move the carts from one place to another place. Okay, and we can create the, so this we call as elements. So Kanban Miro helps you consolidate everything into one single board only. So this board we can create anything. So we can create in this particular artboard, we can create many more workflows and sitemaps and mind mappings also, and exploring the elements of Kanban. So what are the elements we have? We can selecting the cards, we can creating stickies, and this we are creating this like flow. We can rename the columns, changing the colors, add the columns, delete the columns, and move right column rights. We can move it from right to left and left to right. And we have the cards which tell our teammates. So these are the cards we have. We can tell about our teammates here. Like suppose we can create as a rename swim lines. It's Fayaz. Shita. Okay. And I would like to create one more card. Just click it here. We can create one more card here. Okay. And if you want to take it any add swim lane, here we can create a swim lane. Select this one, and we have one more employee, and I can create it as a Ashtrita. So like this, and we can create a cards 1, 2, 3 cards. So here we can move the card from one place to another places. So like this we can create the cards. Okay. Flow ఆగింది మళ్ళీ. Yes, and we have a different type of columns here. Yes, we can create a cards and select this one, and I can delete the cards also. Zoom it, select this one, and I can create a frames here different, and I can delete the cards here, and I can create a cards here. So when we working with these cards, we have to work with stakeholders and as well as users, okay, and customers and users also, and team interaction is main important. So we can creating the teams here, and we can add one more add column. We can add one more column. Just double click, and we can create the project. Like this is the, we can create a project one, okay, and this is the delivery, and this is the in progress, and this is we have to some research. So brief and research. So select this one, project one, brief and research, in progress, and delivery. So if you want to create any cards here, and you can create the cards here, or otherwise select this one, create the add columns and delete columns. So if you want to create the card, or otherwise you can move the card from one place to another place like this, and it is automatically aligned very clearly like this. So again we can create some more cards. This Kanban framework is nothing but to assigning the cards and comments and creating all the employees into single artboard. So we can create all the employees. Why means here we have click it here. We have to assign this project to. You have to assign this project. Suppose there is a title. Suppose this is the UX project, and we can create one color. And what is the status, to do or progress, and assign to some Vamsi, or we don't have the mail ID, no? So it's me only, Vamsi. Just assigning the name here. Like this, we can assign the project. If you want to give any brief intro, you can click it here and go to the Google and giving the lorem ipsum some dummy content. Click it here. Copy the content like this. So select this one, and if you want to see the project, you can see the project. Open the project here and you can see the project. If you want to give any assignment date, the start date and due date, you can give the project date settings. If you want to give any tags, you can give the tags like what are the tags we can work, like some UX research and wireframe. So we can create this type of tag. So let's see the project and close this one. See, in progress, and the project should be done with so and so name like this. And again you have to create any card, you can create the card, and again you have to click it here and go to the, suppose any branding project, just make it branding, take the color, status, to do, and assignment should be same. Is there any other persons? We have to share it, and we have to give the dates and tags. So here what happening here when we creating this one, so when we taking the persons into this particular Miro board, so automatically my cursor, how it is moving, so the persons of the cursor also it will be moved. Okay, the other persons can share, I can share this project to multiple users, multiple team members, and they can work this project very easily. So we can select here and here, and we can edit the text and we can edit the names. So this is the share option. I can share this project to anyone, can view, can not edit. Why means this is the copy board link and invite to team, and here we can invite it, copy team invite link, and I can edit copy board link. So we can select this one and I can paste into the meeting like my Microsoft Teams or any WhatsApp also, the group of WhatsApp also. So directly they can directly interact this Miro board, and they can access this Miro board, and they can give some suggestions or some changes, anything in this particular Miro board. So like this, I would like to create this one in progress. I would like to create this to do project like brief intros, and after that is a complete the project has been done, and I can create one new card here. So the card should be clear, green, and project delivery done to beta version 1. So beta version has been done 1, and I can delete the card, click it, right click and delete the card. So select this one, the beta version, and who has released the beta version, the assignment of Vamsi has released, status done. So it has been done the project. So like this we can create the products like the meeting calls. So this we call as a Kanban framework, means using this type of flow we call as Kanban. That's it. Okay, So this is the assignment. Means we are working completely cards on here only. Like taking the team members, brief intros, in progress, delivery. How can we creating the workflows in the company, in the organizations? So like this, if you go any company, they'll give the data to you. So which company is means which project you are working and how many team members are working with your project and what are the assignments you have given to the project. So how many members has done with the assignments and who is in the progress and who is done the your complete project. So this one is the workflow of this Kanban framework. Only the workflows only, charts only we can work. Okay. Anything else? So Miro based on the flows only. Okay, this is the workflows, and we can work with some shapes. We can create the same this type of workflows will run with the next session also. Only on the cards, sticky notes, and site mappings and mind mappings to giving the like this the project levels. Okay, but we don't have the full version, no, so that's why I'm not accessing this one. So we can access this estimations, and we have to give the votings here. So we can give the voting here, how many members is voting this project and what is the timer we have started, and everything we can create here only. So this is the upgrade version, so we can't work this one. And the timer, we can create the timer here, and we can create the voting here, and we can take the top trucks, and we can create the estimation apps. So what are the different apps we have, and clear this. Just one meeting agendas, only the workflow. We can see the notes of the workflows only here. Okay, just close the things. And this is the thumb symbols, who has working this project. So is there any other guys is giving any like if it is a not good, they'll go for fire, or they'll not good, anything is there, we can give the access for everything. So this one. Okay, and these are the notifications. And if you want to present view, you can give the present view. Means like this we can give the names, who is working with the project. Okay, you can take it the projects, and you can change the, suppose you can take one more product. So select these three things and at a time, and go to the status, add status. It should be the done with. Remove status means remove status. If you want to give the projects, done. Okay, and who has switch type, you can create with the sticky notes. You can create the sticky notes, or otherwise you can click it, select the 3 projects or 4 projects, and go to the add tags, add assignments, who has done this assignment. So we can create this one, and who is done with this project, and give the at a time once. We can create a multiple cards, we can select the multiple cards, and we can give the at a time the names, the assignment of names. Again you can select the 1, 2, 3, 4. We are working with the presentation view only. Okay, and click it here. We can create this one, and dates or the status, done. This one, if you want to give, you can give the some status. Close. If you want to close the preview, you can close it here, or otherwise you can stop it here. This is the Miro boards, and we can take the, I think the next session we will take with the branding mockups. It's better for us. Okay, branding. You asking for the branding mockups, no? Like to give it to for portfolio. Okay, we can take it the next session like branding mockups. But this is the sessions only, the Miro. The base session is nothing but Miro is nothing but we are just giving the Miro is nothing but just we are creating the boards, we can creating the cards, we can creating the stickies, and we can creating the workflows and site maps and everything. So we can take it here, we can see the so many workflows here, and community templates, icebreakers, meeting workshops, brainstorming and ideations, agile workflows, mapping and diagram, research, and you can see everything, and you can work on it this one. So use the templates, take the templates and use the templates. See, like this. This is the one type of demographics, and what are the, like we have the personas. You know the personas what we created here. We can create the personas and the goals, pain points and things, and the name and text and everything. We have already, this is one type of persona empathy map. You can work this empathy and you can change some any text changes and you can work this platform. It means you can create your persona with using with this type of stickies. Okay, this is one type of design. Okay, Miro has all the templates. Please check the templates, everything, and we can share the templates also. We can share it. Okay, and strategy and plannings. So already we have the predefined templates. It's nothing like PowerPoint, but most of the people are using this Miro board only. So please check it. This one is OKR planning. Company OKRs, the OKRs planning templates and giving the pre-planning, leaderships, company planning, post-planning, just giving the complete data of the company, import guidelines, format guidelines, what are workers, the complete data they are giving. Okay, and we can take this data, see how the product design they have done, guys. Company OKR template, the company objective, company objectives and group objectives, and these are the group objectives, and they have a different type of sections like engineering, product design, marketing and customers, and they created as with a they created as with a sticky notes. So like this we can create the company profiles, we can create the personas, we can create the Kanban workflows, we can create the sitemaps and everything. Okay, please practice this. Just workflows on cards only and sticky notes. Okay.